I'm Braddick, and I went to Fitch High School. As far as high school went for all the book work, I hated it. It's hard for me to sit in the classroom for an extended period of time and really take in all the information compared to being able to get my hands on it. Actually, while I was in high school, I came to the school to shadow and learn a bunch of stuff that I didn't know about it already. After high school, I came to NCST, and I was almost a little bit nervous coming straight out of high school and finally being able to work my hands and work on a whole bunch of cars, and it was a lot of fun. You know, after spending some time here, my first few quarters, I've met a lot of great people, and I don't regret anything here. It's been a great time. I made a lot of great friends, and all of my instructors are great people. You can tell they care for your success, and that means a lot to me as a student because it almost excels my growth knowing that they care for mine. Just learning the craft of automotive, you can take it off anywhere you want to go. You can open your own shop or take your own branch with building engines or restoring cars, whatever you wanted to do. And that's why just starting out in the program, even if you know absolutely nothing about cars, it's a real opener for you to get into it and see what you have to do and see what it takes to start a career in this. I've already actually recommended a few of my buddies to come here, and it's a great school, and whatever they want to do, I'm sure they'll learn a lot. And I'm glad to be at such a good school.